Want to hide multiple Instagram posts without deleting them one by one? Here's how to archive all your posts at once in just a few taps. Like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Open Instagram and tap your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner and choose your activity. Next, tap Photos and Videos. Then tap Posts. Here, you'll see all your posts listed by date. Tap Select in the top right. Then choose the posts you want to archive. Once selected, tap Archive at the bottom of the screen. Done. All those posts are now hidden from your profile but safely saved in your archive. You can unarchive them anytime if you change your mind. That's how you clean up your Instagram fast, without deleting a thing. Tap that subscribe button for more smart Instagram tricks.